Hello and welcome to the session of financial management. I can see around 50 students have joined it. Well, it's already 11:54, so I should begin the session now. So friends, let me start with the ice-breaking session. If you people would have been there manually in front of me, I would have taken the introduction, a very brief introduction from you. But right now that's not possible. In the audience of 50 to 60, if I'll be taking the online introduction, it wouldn't go well. Well, let me give my introduction to you. I do not like that, but still, just a brief idea, So there will be a ice-breaking session between all of us. So, friends, myself, Ronak Raitata. I am company secretary by educational qualification. So you people would have wondered the sir, तो फिर आप corporate laws लेने चाहिए, कुछ law के subject लेने चाहिए. Understood. But thing is, finance was always my area of passion. So when I was working with Motilal Oswal in Mumbai, at that time I was the auditor, but I was more interested into knowing how equity and derivatives and all this finance works actually. So I jumped into the area of passion, though little late, but now I am thoroughly enjoying that area. So that's why I'm there into finance, financial management. I take subjects related to finance, varying from financial management, financial mathematics, quantitative finance, financial analytics at PG level. You know, I also take applications of advanced spreadsheet modeling in the finance or advanced Excel applications in the area of finance, financial modeling in Excel. So such sort of subjects I deliver. Uh, Earlier in the past, I also used to take income tax at some occasions, corporate laws, advanced Excel, then some subjects related to, training and skill aspects like Tele ERP9. Then now I have identified my core area, which I enjoy the most, and that is the financial subjects. So that's it from my side for the day. As far as this introduction is concerned, I'm sorry I'm unable to take the introduction of you individually, but we'll take it some day when we'll be meeting on manual basis. Okay, so these two words, financial management. I want to first know the expectations of students from this subject. So you can unmute yourself. You shouldn't be uh, hesitating about communicating your opinions on this. I am not someone who will be judging you based on your opinions and whatever the answers you give me, because I was there at your place just before few years. तो मुझे मालूम है कि वहां पे हम कैसे कैसे भगे करते थे. तो मिस्टेक्स से बिल्कुल भी नहीं डरना है. एकदम छाती ठोक के मिस्टेक्स करने हैं हमारे क्लास में, बिकॉज फ्रॉम द मिस्टेक्स ओनली वी लर्न. So I'm not going to judge you based on that, and I will also not let anyone judge you based on whatever you say in my class. So nothing to be worried about that. Please, what is your expectation from this subject? I will try to satisfy that expectation as much as possible from my side. I just want to align your expectations with the content of this subject. You can unmute yourself, that is most advisable one. But some people will be like, sir, हम तो introvert है, हम तो है ना चैट बॉक्स में लिखते हैं. तो कोई बात नहीं, चैट बॉक्स के जरिए आप कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो. यस प्लीज.
Hello, good morning, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, very good morning. Can you just briefly introduce yourself?
Myself, Griva. Uh, I am also very much interested in finance, and I personally want to build my own business in future. But I am very much interested in finance,
Okay,
and I also want to have some like learn many courses.
true. Very nice. Nice to hear that.
to know this finance, more about finance, and more topic about it.
Okay, definitely. I'll try to satisfy your expectations as much as possible from my side, Miss Griva. Nice to see that Miss Griva wants to be the entrepreneur in the future. Definitely, the financial knowledge will help you in that. Many of the things which I'm going to discuss today as well, it will be helpful for you in your entrepreneurship journey. Definitely. Yes. Others, please. Now there is one problem with this Jill, I mean, कई बार वो Jill होते वो लड़के होते कई बार लड़की होती है. Even my name was shared by with one girl in my classroom. So everyone used to say, "Hey, Ronak idhar aa." She used to be a Mohammedan girl, Raunak. So Jill has written something. May I know the gender of Jill, please? Accordingly, I can address you, Mr. or Miss. Yes, Jill. Male. Okay. Yes, Mr. Jill. So, personal finance awareness, stock market budget, allocation in the organization. Okay. That's the expectation of Mr. Jill. Very nice to see that he is expecting something at the personal finance level. That means how to have the financial discipline, right behavior towards the money, appropriate attitude for building the wealth, and he also wants to know some more information about stock market. Definitely, I'll try to satisfy that. Mr. Darsh. Now, Darsh is, again, I don't know the gender. Please, clarification. I'm really sorry for asking this, but Mr. Darsh is also right one. Now, in BCom semester 3 last time, there was one girl, Miss Darsh. That's why. Compounding, that is going to be the very fundamental aspect of financial management. Very nicely identified by Mr. Darsh. I must appreciate compounding. This is how the money actually works. We are going to look into the very detailed aspects of compounding, covering the varieties of questions and exercises applicable in the practical life as well. Compounding is going to be definitely a primary area that's related something to time value of money. I'll come to that. Definitely, Mr. Darsh. Very nice to see that you are aware about it. Others, please. Received it from Mr. Maulik. I hope to learn finance management in a way that can help me to be financially independent as soon as possible. I am very impressed by Mr. Maulik's aspirations that he wants to be financially independent as soon as possible. Mr. Warren Buffett started his financial independence journey right since the age of childhood. From its school days, he started investing into various alternatives. So right at this stage, no one likes to be dependent on their parents, right? We want to earn on our own. And what sort of the attitude we should have, what sort of a behavioral changes we should make to identify the earning opportunities and to know how the money works in all these earning opportunities. Very nice, Mr. Maulik. I'll try to give light on that too. Now, Miss Nishi is saying that expectations wants to know about how to invest financially in the company. Okay, Miss Nishi, definitely. How to invest in a company, that requires some analysis, right, from your side. So how to evaluate and analyze the data related to various companies so that we identify the appropriate opportunities. Identifying the opportunities, that is where everyone is struggling. If someone has identified the opportunities already, then definitely everyone will start earning the money, right? But that's not the case. Identifying the opportunity. Very true. We'll come to that. Mr. Jitesh, I hope to learn finance management in a way that I can manage my own finances. Definitely, Mr. Jitesh. Your answer is quite related to Mr. Maulik's expectations. We'll see that too. Miss Ritu is saying that, sir, I expect myself to learn about how financial decision affects the overall and core areas of both individuals and organizations. Miss Ritu is coining another term called organizations. So from here, you can identify that this financial management can be looked from two or more perspectives. One is at the individual level, to manage my own personal individual finances, to inculcate the right habits, to know the power of compounding, to know how actually money works. Paisa paisa ne kheche. We will be proving that statement mathematically by looking at various exercises. And another one, which Miss Ritu is coining now, is that, sir, from the organization's perspective too. Now that's where the majority of the focus will be in the financial management. I'll come to that point. Very nice. Mr. Milan, proper knowledge of finance resource of the company. He is putting more emphasis on the word called resources. Wait, what are the various sources of finance? If I want to establish my own startup or business, from where I can seek the money? What are the various pros and cons of the various sources of finance? How I can reach to the angel investors, startup financiers, banks and institutions for the loans and borrowings or the equity investment? Or how can I issue the equity if I am going with the company startup format? Nowadays, overwhelming majority of the startups are coming up with the company organization format due to its tremendous benefits which it offers. So we'll look into various resources of the finance. Definitely, Mr. Milan. Miss Ria is saying that learn more about managing not just our money, but also know how to use our money in the effective way. Now, Miss Ria is coming to the second core area of the financial management, which is about investing. Mr. Milan's focus was on gathering the financial resources. What will be the optimum resource mix, from where I should gather the money? What should be the mix of various money I received from the various people? And Ms. Ria is focusing on how to invest it effectively, efficiently, to get the maximum benefits out of it. My friends, investment decisions may vary from as small as, what sort of transportation you should use, from going from your home to reaching to Marwadi University. That's a decision. Whether to buy this particular residential flat or that residential flat, ultimately that's also a financial decision. How can we take those investing decisions? What are the various steps to look at? How do we evaluate it? By doing some mathematical exercises. That's about investment decisions. Definitely, Miss Ria will look into that. Miss Shruti, I want to learn stock market budget and risk management through finance. Really nice. Some nice words she's coining. Risk management. Again, that's the part of a bit of advanced financial management, risk management. We need to first identify what are the types of risk. We need to then identify what are the various ways of mitigating those risks. And we'll look into various financial alternatives through which we can mitigate the risk in the investment, risk in the finance, risk in the various other aspects of financial management. Definitely we'll look into that. Miss Shruti. Okay, I have taken her. Miss Dhruvi is saying that...
We are going to learn that in this semester.
Shruti, as far as the risk management is concerned, the advanced aspect of it will be covered in the advanced financial management offered explicitly to the finance specialization students. At this level, the risk management will not be covered much into a depth, but definitely I'll give you some practical inputs on that too.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Ms. Shruti. Ms. Dhruvi is saying that, sir, I want to take interest to learn how much and where to invest money. Okay, so her focus is again on investment. Now, again, I am a little bit confused about the gender. Roman, Mr. or Mrs., how should I address you? Mr. or Miss, sorry. Okay, male. Okay, Mr. Roman. Financial institutions, various financial intermediaries, banks, then non-banking financing companies, cooperative banks. Then we come to know about the various words and terminologies related to investment bank. You must have heard about investment banking. Some of your relatives might be there in an investment banking profile. Then there may be merchant bankers, underwriters. So we want to learn about stockbrokers. We want to learn about that. Well, not a part of the financial management, but definitely the area of the finance, and we should look at those institutions in a very great detail in some other semesters. Miss Anjali, I can manage my own financial aspects. Very true, Miss Anjali. That is a part of the personal financial management. We'll cover that. Strategic and financial management in finance. Miss Griva is putting focus on the strategic aspect. I'll cover that. The strategic aspect I liked a lot. We'll get into that aspect. What is this strategy? Well, we'll see that. Okay, Miss Anjali is again saying that he wants to know how the money works better. Definitely. So good. I have come to know about your expectations, that what you are expecting from this subject. And nice to see that you people are very vibrant and dynamic in various current affairs and knowledge related to finance. Nice to see that. Okay, friends, let me clarify the inclination of this subject. As it was rightly identified by the various students, the first and foremost perspective through which we can look at the financial management is the personal financial management. My friends, that includes from the psychological aspects of building the right attitude for managing the money and building the wealth, to inculcate the right habits in the individual's behavior so that we'll be able to manage our money effectively and efficiently, to knowing the various sources, various alternatives of investments, to know the risk, return and taxation aspects, to know that which sort of investment should be the most suitable for me, and to manage the money in the most efficient manner. Also includes taking the insurances so that we mitigate our risk at the individual level to the maximum extent. Now, one girl was saying about risk management. Insurance is one of the best way to mitigate your risk. So health insurance, life insurance, there may be. Yes, please.
But sir, there is an issue of there only no, sir. There is a company, many companies that had suffered from the losses and that closed. Then also we had risk in insurance also.
Very true. Now, what happened? I'll come to that point in some time to come. Let me see who has asked this. I guess it has been asked by
Smith.
Yes. So whenever you say something, no, let me just know your name, so accordingly I can address. Thank you, Smith. Now I'll come to your point definitely in some time to come about the insurance. Because I was already there in one insurance company as the insurance trainer. So I have a bit of an experience of that too. I'll let you know about that. So personal financial management includes the insurance aspect, the tax planning, estates planning, wealth planning, how the estates should be transferred smoothly in the next generations of the family so that there won't be many conflicts, legal conflicts. So this all sort of a planning is about personal financial management. Now the majority of the focus in this subject, my friends, will be on corporate financial management. Corporate financial management. Now that is from the perspective of a company or a business entity. What are the various sources of finance through which they can raise the money for their startups, for their businesses, for their expanding requirements? What are the various investment techniques they should be aware about, so that they can take the decisions where to invest, how to invest? What are the various alternatives at which we should look to? Then effectively managing their business. So our modules of the financial management are primarily focusing on the corporate financial management from the perspective of the entity, from the business organization perspective. Now, as far as the personal financial management is concerned, you may have the subject called wealth management, asset management, specifically given to the finance specialization students in the upcoming semesters. On the financial institutions, you will come to know more about the insurance as well. You will come to know more about the mutual funds and the various other alternatives of investments, again given only to the finance specialization students. But in the fourth semester, there is one subject called IFS, Indian Financial System, where you will get to know more about the institutions. Someone was asking me, sir, how this financial institutions works, no? That how these banks are operating, what are the various processes they employ, how do they hire the people, how do they manage their task, how do they manage their risk and everything. This everything will be a part of the Indian financial system. That is a subject in the fourth semester. So you will learn about it in more detail in that, but definitely I'll keep on giving you some practical inputs whenever it will be required. Then the third aspect, which is a very explicit aspect of the financial management, is the managing the wealth of clients, managing wealth of others. Now that requires a bit of an expertise, that requires the in-depth knowledge of various taxation aspects, risk aspects, return aspects of various investment avenues. You should also be thoroughly very good in identifying the psychology of the people, that how their risk tolerance is, what is the risk appetite, how much risk they can afford to take, and accordingly you will be suggesting the various investment avenues and the different appropriate mix of the various avenues. That will not be covered in this subject. Even the personal financial management will not be covered in much detail in this subject, but definitely I will try my best to inculcate the right habits at the individual level in you to manage your personal finances. I will keep on giving you various information related to investment avenues. Our major focus is on corporate financial management. My friends, let's go to the syllabus now straight away to look at the logical flow of the syllabus. Friends, it starts with the basics of the financial management, which includes the definition of it. What is this financing function in every business entity? What is the role of the modern finance manager? And how the money works. Time value of money. You must have heard about it since your childhood. आपने 11-12 में भी study किया होगा. You might have heard about it in business mathematics if you would have opted for it in your first semester. But that is an assurance from my side that you will get a very practical inputs and insights about the time value of money, how actually the money works. We will take the real life problems on an individual basis. So those who are more inclined towards the personal financial management aspects, I will cover the personal financial management very extensively in this time value of money concepts. So we'll plan the financing needs and the investment pattern for an individual which will be most suitable and appropriate to them based on their needs and based on their their requirements and pros and cons of them, their weaknesses as well. Okay, then it comes the financing decision. Many people focused more on that. So try to think from the perspective of a company. How do they gather their money? They have got the various sources. It may be equity, it may be preference shares. Already they're into some other business entity. Now they are converting themselves into a company to maintain and to manage their businesses well, because in a company format, everything is so much well defined and well established that there are minimum chances of conflict between the various stakeholders. So that's why you will learn about the various sources. You will learn about various pros and cons of those sources, very practical insights. And these people are definitely not there to do your seva, right? वो सेवा करे और आप मेवा खाओ, ऐसा नहीं है. They expect something in return. So that expectations of those people who are contributing in your finance is nothing but the cost of finance from a company's perspective. So we'll do some mathematical calculations of cost of finances. And then what is the overall cost of finance of company, that will also be discussed in the extensive manner. We'll see that how to take these financing decisions. Now that is pretty much applicable to the new startups and businesses. Based on the requirement of the owner who is coming up with a startup, we suggest the various financing alternatives. If someone do not want to lose a power over a company much, then accordingly a source of finance may be suggested. If they are seeking for some subsidies and some assistance from the governments through this startup yojanas and everything, then accordingly the sources of finance may be suggested. Then it comes the investment decision, which is the second core area of the finance. That's how the logical flow of the syllabus go. Now here, from the smallest of decisions to the biggest of decisions, we'll see that how to evaluate any investment proposal. Whether to invest in this machinery or that machinery, whether to invest in this fixed asset or that fixed asset, which will be the most financially suitable alternative to you, by looking at purely from the finance perspective. लेकिन सर, हमने तो मम्मी को बुलाया था, तो मम्मी को वो जगह बहुत अच्छी लगी, तो मम्मी ने बोला कि बेटा यहीं पे ही तुम्हें बिल्डिंग को इन्वेस्ट करना है, तो हमने वहां पे इन्वेस्ट कर दिया और बिल्डिंग बड़ी कर दी. I'm not saying that these aspects will not be covered or they are not significant. Definitely they are significant aspects. But we will be evaluating the projects and the investments purely from the finance perspective. सर मेरे को तो वहां पे जाके ही बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो मैंने इन्वेस्ट कर दिया. सर मेरे तो फ्रेंड ने बोला था कि ये स्टॉक है ना बहुत मस्त है, तो इसमें करना चाहिए, तो मैंने कर दिया. Now we will be looking from the company's perspective, purely from a very finance lenses, whether to establish the Marward University at Gauridad, or it would have been the better financial decision if we would have established at, say, Kalawar Road. Then what would have been the potential cash inflows and outflows from that project? This everything will be a part of investment decision. We will look at the various alternatives and projects and investments purely from the finance perspective. Okay. Then dividend decisions. भैया जो लोग आपके कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर में कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, वो आपकी सेवा करने के लिए तो नहीं हुए हैं, उनको सामने कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस है. Now majority of the startups are coming up with the company format, so obviously when the company is there will be equity shares, and if there will be equity shares, then there will be a dividend on it, which is basically a return on the equity shares you get. So what will be the impact of dividend on the market price of the shares? How do we take a decisions of dividend being a finance manager so that there will be a positive impact on the market price. There may be effect of payment of dividend or the non-payment of dividend too. So we will try to see those problems very practically by looking at the real life data. So that will be a fourth module. And the fifth module, where majority of the startups are getting stuck. My friend, I was referring to one research article of the IIM. You people will be surprised to know that 70% of the business startups are getting closed just in 1 to 2 years time frame. Only 30% of the startups are able to survive after that. What could be the reason behind it? If you do not have the enough sources right now to manage your day-to-day operations of the business, how you will be managing your business in that tough situation? That's what happened during this COVID-19 period as well. Many of the restaurants and cafes at New Ring Road got shut. Primarily due to this problem, they had too much of fixed obligation to pay in terms of the rent, in terms of the salaries of those people. And now, if the lockdown happens for 1 or 2 years, or in a restrictive manner you are supposed to operate, how you will keep on rotating your cash, managing current assets and current liabilities. All the assets and liabilities which are primarily realizable just in the operating cycle period, they are related to managing your day-to-day operations in the business, are called as current assets and current liabilities having the period of less than 1 year. Your debtors are basically the customers from whom you are supposed to take the money. What credit period should be given to them? Whether to give the credit or not, by looking at the competition and the financial implications of it. How much percentage of the credit should be given to the customers? 40%, 20%, 30%? What will be the most financially suitable alternative? Similarly, how much stock to be maintained in terms of the inventories? Current assets and current liabilities will not just be recorded. Recording aspect was covered in the accounting. Here we'll come to the managing aspect. So we'll look into the various mathematical models and we'll see that what will be the implications of taking this much of stock in your profitability, in your long-term survival of the business. So working capital, current assets and current liabilities, managing that is the crucial point. Here is where the people are getting stuck. One of the most important aspect of the financial management. We'll look into that too. My friends, gathering the sources of finance may be a one-time exercise. You don't do it. सुबह उठ के आपको नहीं देखना है कि चलो मैं इक्विटी इश्यू कर देता हूँ, चलो मैं लोन ले लेता हूँ. You take loans and borrowings and you issue the equity to get the money in a very long period of time, you know. So there may be an expert advice taken from the various financial experts in that. Even in the investment decision, you take the long-term decisions related to investment in one machinery or another machinery, investment in one startup or another startup, investing in one particular investment or another particular investment. For that too, the help of financial expert may be taken. But no one will come to your rescue in working capital. Only you will have to manage your cash effectively. Those who are there into a businesses, I am also coming from a business family, so I know that how much important it is to rotate the cash so that my business cycle do not get disturbed. 2-3-4 दिन भी अगर दुकान बंद रहती है तो क्या हालत होती है कैश को रोटेट करने में, सिर्फ बिजनेसमैन ही जानता है वो. So we'll come to that point too. So this is how the logical flow of the financial management syllabus looks like. May I have a confirmation from the students that you have understood the flow of this? These are my 5 modules.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Let's move.
Yes, sir, clear.
Thank you so much. Let's
Yes, sir,
thank you so much. Thank you. So we should make it as interactive as possible, my friends. Okay, so here we are. How we are going to be evaluated? Sir, we are aware about it. 20%. माई बाप कौन है? फैकल्टी मेंबर. मैं तुम्हें असाइनमेंट्स दूंगा, प्रोजेक्ट्स दूंगा और आपको उसमें अच्छे से अच्छा काम करना है और अपने 20 मार्क्स लेके जाने हैं. यहाँ पे माई बाप कौन है? फैकल्टी मेंबर. वो इसलिए दिया हुआ है कि कोई फैकल्टी मेंबर के साथ ऐसा वैसा ना करे. We people are aware about it. 30% internal assessment, mid-semester examinations, 1 and 2. Now some people will be like, sir, उसमें तो मार्क 50 होते हैं. तो बेटा मार्क्स कोई भी हो, in your overall marks, the weightage of that marks will just be 30%. As simple as that. And the end semester examination, जहाँ पे आपको मॉक्स प्राप्त होगा, उसका वेटेज कितना है? 50% as applicable to every other syllabuses. और यहाँ पे अगर आपको मोक्ष प्राप्त करना है तो आपको गीता, बाइबल या तो फिर कुरान पढ़नी पड़ेगी. एंड दैट इज द टेक्स्ट बुक ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट ऑथर्ड बाय प्रसन्ना चंद्रा. दिस इज सीरियसली द गीता, बाइबल और कुरान ऑफ फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट. लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्ट इन its language, but it is always advisable from my side to go to the original sources as much as possible. I have got the soft copy of this book. I will circulate that today only in your Google Classroom. Now it involves various other concepts too. So in my PPTs and in my references, I have given the page numbers you should be referring particularly for the concepts that we are which are covered in this syllabus. Now, even in CA and CS modules, in the final level too, they are referring the Prasanna Chandra as the reference book there too. So you can understand the reliability of this book, you know. I have it. I'll be distributing that today itself. Okay, some other books are there too, not required once you get this Prasanna Chandra. तो आपकी मोक्ष प्राप्ति के लिए आपको गीता पढ़नी पड़ेगी, Financial Management Theory and Practice, Prasanna Chandra. Now, some people will be facing a lot of difficulties in reading that and solving the questions of that book. So we have our own indigenously built material will be shared to you on time-to-time basis. So once the module gets completed, our own booklet for practical questions as well as the theoretical learning will be circulated to you. But that is, you know, my own personal preference that you should go with book if it is possible. और कहीं पे भी अगर स्टक होते हो तो रौनक सर तो है ही, ऐसे तुरंत स्नैप करके फोटो खींच के सर को भेज देने का. तो सर को हीरो तो है नहीं थी, वो एकदम ऑक्यूपाइड रहते पूरे दिन, और रहते भी होंगे तो बता देना कि सर आपके टाइम पे अगर आपको थोड़ा सा समय मिले तो मुझे ये क्वेरी है तो थोड़ा सा सोल्व कर देना, तो मैं कर ही देता हूँ. So no one should be hesitating to contact me, to reach out to me through any modes of communication. You may do the email to me. You may personally ping me on WhatsApp. You may even call me after the completion of my sessions. Generally, it gets completed after 3 to 4 p.m. So after that, you can call me at any point of time. If the urgency is too much, then you can call me at night time too. Definitely, I'll answer you for that. Anyway, that's it from my side as far as this syllabus is concerned. Now we'll go to the conceptual aspects of it from the next session onwards. If you have any queries or questions, difficulty in understanding any of this, If you have any questions related to the expectations of yours, related to the subject, related to myself, you can let me know. Else I'll be assuming that you have got everything. A confirmation, please. You may give the
No,
confirmation.
sir. No query at all.
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Class is very dynamic and interactive. I hope this class will be as dynamic as this till the end of all the sessions. Wishing you best of luck for the new semester. That's it from my side for the day. Thank you so much for attending the session. Bye-bye. Take care. Sayonara. Please put your enrollment number as a mark of your attendance for the day. Do not forget to put your attendance. Some people will be like, sir, uske liye to aate hai, wo kaise bhulenge hum? Anyway, please put your enrollment number. Take care. See you all in the next session again.